Perfect timing, PBZ.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The storm has a history of producing 0.75 to 1.0 inches of rain in less than 20 minutes. Rainfall amounts of 0.77 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, Shaler Township, West Mifflin, North Side Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Scott Township, Wilkinsburg, Whitehall, Robinson Township, Lynn Hall, Brentwood, Swissvale, Dormant, O'Hara Township, and Bellevue. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.